Hey friends, I have a special video for you today, a training video on how to pre-schedule your Instagram and Facebook content using the best scheduler on the market right now, Meta Creator Studio. So let's jump into it. Alrighty, now who is this video for? One, you can be a social media manager and maybe you manually post everything and you're starting to burn out because it's a lot of posting. Another option is maybe you're a small business owner and you are doing all the social media stuff yourself and you're realizing this is taking too much time. I need to find ways to free up more of my time. So you're looking for tools and tricks and tips on how to do that. Another option is you are starting to grow your social media accounts and grow your personal brand. If that's you, congratulations. It's a very exciting journey. And the thing is though, you're still in your 9 to 5, so you don't have time to be posting all day. One of those 3 examples are you or you're a different example. This video is really meant to show you how to save your time, how to spend less time on your social platforms and doing tedious stuff like scheduling, and how to then free up your time so you can use it on more important stuff like making money. If you're a scheduler on my team, then this is also important because it means that you are supporting some pretty amazing clients and helping them amplify their message across social media. Okay, everyone, grab your computers and let's pull up Facebook Creator Studio or Meta Creator Studio. Alrighty guys, so we have Meta Creator Studio pulled up here, and this is just my burner account, my practice sample account, because I don't want you to see any of my clients' actual personal information. Okay, so what you want to do, there's a lot of things going on here. Alrighty, so we're gonna go to create new, and as you can see, you can upload a post, you can upload reels, you can add stories, videos, go live, multiple videos. You can do a lot from here. You can do it on Facebook or also Instagram. Now the key here is you want to have a business Facebook account and have that connected to your Instagram account as well. Okay, so all you got to do is click create new, create post. Okie dokie. So here we have the composer, and so what I'm going to do is add a photo. We'll add this one. And if you watch my videos, you'll know that we chose this photo and we wrote a caption specific for this photo. So now we're actually going to use it to pre-schedule on the account. Okay, so post text and links here. That's where you put the caption. So we post it here. I wrote this caption and taught you guys how to write long form captions. So we had our hook, we had personal information, and we had our call to action. But since that was just for training purposes only, we're going to delete that stuff. Okay, so here let's read over to make sure everything's fine. Recovery after burnout. Who can relate? Exactly 2 years ago, I was experiencing burnout and didn't know it. 15 pounds heavier, hair falling out, hormonal issues, couldn't sleep, nightmares, etc., etc., etc. This is about how I reclaimed my life, basically. Alrighty, so we just want to make sure that everything is correct. Now the thing is, because this is Facebook, the link is actually, you're going to have to include the link here. And then for Instagram, it's going to say link in bio. So my YouTube link is youtube.com/Rebecca Eloisa. Okay, so you have the caption, you have the photo. Alrighty, so the next thing you want to do, and if you want to have a carousel like on Instagram, you upload multiple photos and you have to name them in order. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the order that you want them to be uploaded, or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that. So that's a key. Very important, okay? If you have sponsors, you can tag it here. Let's see. So it's going to be distributed. If it's something like an invitation, like Friday at 7 p.m., join me, then the cool thing is that you can set this to actually stop sharing with people. So after Friday at 7 p.m., you can have it stop sharing to people. So you don't have to go in and like delete your posts because you don't want to mislead someone. Okay, so we're gonna make it public. Okay, now you can publish it from here directly, but the point of this video is pre-scheduling. So you're gonna click this little down arrow and click schedule post. Right here, we do, let's say we do it for Friday, March 17th at 10 a.m. because that is when my audience is most active. Alrighty, so you click save and then you click schedule post. Okay, and then the way to actually see what your posts are is it's down here in pre-published. So you'll be able to see it here. Now, let's say, for example, I don't want to do this post anymore because I don't feel ready to share my story with the world. So you can reschedule the post, you can actually delete it, you can publish it right away, or you can cancel the schedule here. Or say you're doing this for a client and there's something comes up, like some big world event that they need to comment on, and you're like, hey, don't post the 5 p.m. post today, don't post the 10 a.m. post. You can go in here and just cancel the schedule and keep it in here, and then schedule it for whenever they actually want it to come out. As for right now, I don't post anything on this account, so we're just going to cancel the schedule. And when you do that, it's still here, but it posts that the status is a draft. Okay, so next we're gonna go to Instagram. It's the same thing. We're gonna create a post and follow the same exact rules. You just choose who you want to pre-schedule to, and then you just do the same steps. Alrighty, so that is how you pre-schedule a post on Meta Creator Studio on Instagram and on Facebook. They're exactly the same. Now the thing is, if you are pre-scheduling a reel, it has to fit certain requirements, like reels are less than 60 seconds. One thing I need to share with you guys, if I'm being completely honest, is I never pre-schedule reels on Meta Creator Studio. We only manually post them. And the reason for that is because, quite frankly, we don't get the same engagement as we do when we manually post it. We get way more views and reach and impressions and engagement and all of that when we actually manually post it versus pre-scheduling. I hope that's a bug that Facebook will eventually fix. As for now, I don't recommend pre-scheduling your reels unless you're only concerned about time and not about engagement and growth. Alrighty friends, that was a short and sweet video, but if you have any video requests or questions, comment them down below. And also, if you need more assistance, I do consultations for all of you, so go ahead and click the link in my description box to learn more about that. And if you're interested in working with me to help grow and blow up your social media, then also click that link in the description box. Go ahead and smash, knock, crack, maybe not crack. Press the subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you never miss a video. Alrighty guys, talk to you later. Stay golden. Mwah.